Hello dear student, I am Rajwant Singh and today I am going to teach you the chapter Getting Future Ready, the remaining part. Dear student, in the previous video I have told you about the driverless car and today I will tell you about the new technology that is in your chapter Getting Future Ready, Human Robots. We will discuss about the topic and we will discuss about the given lines in your chapter about human robots. Dear student, be concentrate and listen carefully. First of all, we have to know what is human robot. Robot is a machine made by human which works like a human, that information it provides and it works on it very well. Dear student, are robots all brain and no heart, all intelligence and no emotions? A robot can move its limbs in limited ways, but can it smile, laugh, or cry? These statements are true, but in future, and this may be in future. So come and know about these things. Dear student, Sophia is here to answer these questions and change the future of humanities. Sophia is a human robot and she gives the answers of human being. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, Hong Kong. This robot is made in Hong Kong and the maker is Hanson Robots. The name of the robot is Sophia. So dear student, she was activated on 14 February 2016 and revealed to the public in March 2016 in Austin, USA. Dear student, in this chapter, this is shown that a robot can do everything that a man can do. Sophia can display more than 50 facial expressions. Expression of grief, expression of joy, expression of sadness, expression of surprise, and etc. etc. It can make facial expressions more than 50. So dear student, imitate several human gestures and hold a simple conversation of this robot named Sophia. My dear student, we all know that robot is a man-made thing, but the man is very smart now. The man made a robot, but it is so faster, so intelligent that better than a man. It answers better than a man. And this is the impression of our modern technology. So, dear student, further, these lines expresses that she has functional legs. Sophia has functional legs and can walk like us too. It has functional legs and it can walk too, like a human body, like a human being. The use of flower gives Sophia's face a lifelike appearance, and its face is made up of flower, and it is like a man. It is like a shape of man, and its appearance is like a man or woman. So, dear student, artificial intelligence in short way, that is artificial intelligence AI, allow her to recognize faces and voices by clearing out this and maintain eye contact to see face to face. By seeing everyone, it can recognize that what is his name or who is this by eye contacting, and process human speech. Dear student, our technology is very smart, and our scientists who made this type of robots, they are also very intelligent. They programmed it to do the works like a human being. And like this, Sophia is also. Sophia was conceptualized by David Hanson as a companion for the elderly in nursing homes and as a guide at large public places and events. So, dear students, Sophia is the United Nations Development Program's first ever innovation, and champion. As of now, Sophia can only specific questions based on predefined topics, but her range is expected to improve with further research. At present, the maker says that predefined topics are fit in his minds, and with further research it is expected to improve better than this. Sophia's popularity indicates that there will be more functional humanoids in the future, and that elements of science fiction may one day become a reality. In these lines, the maker of this robot want to make understand us that in future we will change the features of the robot and it will work better than this, and it is expected that it will do the best in future. So dear student, we all have to know that our technology is very smart, and if we do through the technology, then the everything is very fastest and very easiest way. My dear student, Sophia is also a robot, but it works so faster, so easier, like a human can't do this. Faster than the human, easier way, and in earlier way. It takes less time, and etc. etc. So dear student, here are some difficult words that you have to know very well. Flubber. The facial of the robot is made up of flubber. Now you have to know what is flubber. Flubber is an elastic form of rubber invented by Hanson Robotics. Elastic rubber, that is like a rubber, but this is elastic, and with this the face of Sophia is made by Hanson Robotics. So dear student, this is enough for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.